So we are finally setting off to get my new wheels. We just had McDonald's and we have to drive for an hour and a half to get my new rims. They will be brand new and hopefully they'll fit. I think they will fit, and I will show you when I have them. Still on the in the process. We are still driving. We still got like 20 miles to go, but I can already smell the wheels. And I'm driving.
In half a mile, at Edbold roundabout, take the second exit and stay on A5.
See? She knows where I'm going. So I am driving, and I am willing to pay 500 quid because it's a very good deal on those wheels. I cannot afford to lose that deal because the wheels alloys themselves cost 650 quid, plus they are wearing Yokohamas. Where I'm going? Okay, so I have to quit now.
Exit the roundabout onto A5.
A5 again, so we're gonna go round and round. The wheels on A2 go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on A2.
Continue on Edbold roundabout for 200 yards.
So,
Exit the roundabout onto A5.
let's go. Hello guys. My car just lit up. It doesn't want to go. I've got like 5 miles to go, and I think the ABS sensor is having a fit again. I had it when I bought the car a few months ago, but I took it out, I cleaned it, it was oily and stuff, and from then on it was okay. So I guess I'll take it out again.
In a quarter of a mile, at the roundabout, take the fourth exit onto A483 A5.
Yes. And I will have to take it out again, and I'll see if it'll fix that. We are finally here, and we're just gonna double check it fits. No, that's okay. We'll just quickly change it. I brought this, so I don't have to. Be a quicker job. Bit of light here so I can see the holes. Lower. I need the screw.
And then you can twist it. Sit. Oh, don't Michael, will you? If you don't fit, I've got to sell to somebody else. reflect them into link?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure two of them wouldn't go in if it didn't line up. It wouldn't line up, would it?
Just gonna put the rest in
Yeah, of course.
so it doesn't fall off.
Yeah, God, yeah.
I'm gonna lower it. See where it ends up.
And then you're gonna drive.
Not with the new wheels, I will. Now I need to get the alignment there. I need to change the shock absorbers because they're gone. Now let's see. I think that's a perfect fit. I'll just start it and twist the wheel and see if anything catches.
I'll start bringing the others up for you.
Yeah. I'll take this one off. So what do you think?
Perfect.
Perfect? I think it's perfect. Got it. So guys, we are finally here. We can take a look at these babies. That was a steal. These are Dynamics, brand spanking new, and Yokohamas. You can see there, Yokohamas, brand spanking new, all in 500 quid. They cost, it was a steal. Let's get some Red Bull and let's get on a journey back.